Welcome back to Park and Post. Today, we're unpacking a topic that's crucial for every traveler: flight insurance. Whether you're jet-setting across continents or hopping on a short flight, knowing how to pick the best flight insurance policy can save you from a world of stress. So buckle up as we take off into the realm of protecting your travels. Let's start at cruising altitude with a look at why flight insurance is your travel safety net. Imagine this. You've planned the perfect getaway, but as you're about to leave, a sudden flight cancellation throws everything off course. Here's where flight insurance becomes your best travel buddy. It covers those unexpected expenses, from rebooking costs to overnight stays. But it's not just about cancellations. Lost luggage, travel delays, and even medical emergencies are part of the package, offering you peace of mind in a neat, comprehensive policy. But it's not all smooth sailing. While flight insurance can be a game changer, it's vital to understand its limitations. Coverage varies widely, and what you assume is protected might not be. Ever read the fine print and found out your reason for canceling isn't covered? Yep, it happens. That's why knowing the ins and outs of your policy is key, ensuring you're not just buying peace of mind, but actual protection that suits your travel style. Now let's navigate through the skies of insurance options. Let's start first with airline-issued policies. Convenient? Absolutely. But while they've got the basics covered, like trip cancellations and luggage issues, they might not be the most comprehensive. Think of them as economy class does the job, but you might wish for more legroom. These are the basic policies offered by airlines when you book your flight. They typically cover minor incidents like flight delays, cancellations, lost and delayed baggage, and missed connections. However, the coverage amounts are usually fairly low, about $500 or less. The main advantage of these policies is convenience. You can easily add it on when booking your ticket. But the limited coverage may not make it worth the cost for anything beyond a short, inexpensive trip. Speaking of more room, comprehensive travel insurance policies are like upgrading to business class. They not only cover flight-related mishaps but also throw in perks like medical emergency coverage, trip cancellations for a broader set of reasons, and even evacuations. It's broader protection that caters to the unexpected twists and turns of travel. Third-party travel protection plans provide much more robust coverage that extends well beyond just flight issues. No one plans for a trip to be canceled or interrupted prematurely, but unforeseen circumstances like illnesses, injuries, natural disasters, and more can derail even the most meticulously planned travels. Comprehensive travel insurance with trip cancellation and interruption coverage allows you to recoup prepaid, non-refundable costs if you need to cancel for a covered reason listed in the policy. This financially protects your investment and gives you flexibility. Flight delays and cancellations are an all-too-common frustration when traveling by air. Comprehensive policies will reimburse you for reasonable out-of-pocket costs incurred due to travel delays, such as accommodations, meals, transportation, and other expenses. This saves you from having to pay out of pocket while you wait to get your itinerary back on track. Dealing with lost, damaged, or delayed checked baggage is a headache no traveler wants to face. In addition to reimbursing you for the value of lost or damaged bags and belongings, these policies also provide coverage for expenses like buying essential items if your luggage is delayed in getting to you during your trip. Falling ill or getting injured during international travels can potentially saddle you with excessive medical bills and complicated care logistics. Comprehensive travel medical insurance covers emergency medical treatment costs up to high liability limits, ensuring you can get quality care without bankrupting yourself. In worst-case scenarios where you suffer a serious injury or illness while traveling that requires emergency medical evacuation, insurance policies will arrange transportation to an appropriate medical facility and cover the associated high costs. Having this coverage gives you access to top care and transportation regardless of your remote location. When dealing with an emergency, delayed flight, lost passport, or other disruptive travel mishap, it's invaluable to have 24/7 travel assistance through your insurance provider. Their multilingual representatives can provide information, coordination, referrals, and other aid to help you navigate the situation wherever you are in the world. And let's not forget the hidden gem in your wallet: credit card travel insurance. Many cards offer this as a perk, and depending on your card, you might already have access to impressive coverage, from trip delays to rental car insurance. The catch? It's essential to dive into the details to understand exactly what's covered and what's not. Think of it as the secret lounge access you never knew you had. If you used a premium travel rewards credit card to book your flight and other trip details, you may already have some built-in travel insurance as part of your card benefits. Coverage varies by card but could include lost and damaged baggage protection, trip cancellation and delay coverage, rental car insurance, and more. The beauty of the credit card route is that you get some level of coverage for no additional cost. Just be sure to understand the limitations, as credit card insurance may only provide very basic protections compared to dedicated policies. Before we move on, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified of our latest travel tips, and share this information with your friends and family. But let's get back to the topic. 20 things to know before you buy travel insurance. Alright, all you globetrotters, you're at the gate ready to board. How do you pick the policy that's your perfect travel companion? Start with reflection. What kind of trip are you embarking on? Are you a pack light and see where the wind takes me traveler, or is every detail planned? Your travel style, destinations, and the value of your trip all play pivotal roles in deciding. With the various options laid out, here are some key factors to consider when choosing the right flight insurance for your next trip. Number 1. Cost of the policy versus cost of your trip. More expensive trips merit stronger coverage, as you'll have more money at stake if something goes awry. As a general rule, you'll want travel insurance if you've prepaid at least $4,000 per person for your vacation. However, even for cheaper getaways, investing $30 in flight insurance could make sense if it means avoiding hundreds of dollars in change fees, hotel costs, and other headaches in the event of a cancellation or delay. Number 2. Your travel dates and destinations. Summer and holiday travel means more crowds and a higher likelihood of delays and cancellations, so extra protection is wise. The same goes for travel to destinations prone to inclement weather or other factors that could disrupt your plans. Number 3. Any high-risk activities planned. If your trip includes adventurous activities like skiing, hiking, water sports, etc., you'll absolutely want a comprehensive travel insurance plan that covers emergency medical care and evacuations. Basic flight insurance won't suffice. Number 4. Your existing insurance coverage. Those with health insurance that provides international coverage may only need more basic flight protection. But Medicare doesn't cover treatment outside the U.S., so supplemental travel medical insurance is a must for seniors. Number 5. Policy coverage amounts and exclusions. Don't just shop based on the cheapest premium. Compare the coverage limits side by side and ask about any policy exclusions. For example, some plans exclude certain adventure activities or travel to countries under travel advisories. Research is your boarding pass here. Compare different policies, delve into the coverage specifics, and look out for flexibility that can adapt to your travel needs. And remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. You're looking for a policy that offers comprehensive coverage at a reasonable price balancing cost with peace of mind. Now listen, are you a savvy traveler always on the lookout for the smoothest trip experience? We've got a game changer for you: Park Sleep Fly, the ultimate solution for those early flights or long layovers that just don't sync with your schedule. Imagine this. You drive to the airport a day before your flight, Park your car in a secure spot, enjoy a restful night at a nearby hotel, and then get shuttled directly to your terminal the next day. It's hassle-free travel at its best. Check out our special packages that bundle parking, hotel stays, and shuttle service, making your travel logistics a breeze. No more worrying about making it to your early morning flight or driving home exhausted after a late arrival. Why squeeze in those extra hours of sleep and stress about parking when you can start your trip the right way? With Park Sleep Fly, you're choosing convenience, safety, and peace of mind. And the best part? It's all bookable with just a few clicks. So, if you're planning your next journey, make sure to check out the exclusive discount link below for the best deals and packages that suit your travel needs. Now imagine you've got your ticket, your bags are packed, but then unexpected turbulence. Your flight is canceled and you're stranded. If you've chosen wisely, your flight insurance is about to show its true colors. It steps in to cover those unexpected hotel stays, meals, and even the extra transport costs, ensuring that the storm clouds of travel disruptions don't rain on your parade. Utilizing your flight insurance effectively means knowing exactly how to claim those benefits when needed. It's not just about having the coverage, but being able to navigate the claims process smoothly. Always keep your travel documents, receipts, and any related paperwork organized. In the event of a hiccup, you'll be ready to present your case clearly and efficiently to the insurance company. Even the best policy won't help much if you don't understand how to properly use it. Here are some expert tips. Number 1. Read the policy documentation thoroughly. The more you understand about what situations and expenses your plan does and does not cover, the better prepared you'll be to successfully file a claim. Don't wait until after an issue arises. Get familiar with the details up front. Number 2. Keep all documentation. From your original booking receipts and insurance certificates to copies of any communication with airlines, hotels, and others related to delays and documentation of expenses incurred, having proper documentation is crucial for a successful claim. Number 3. File claims promptly. Most policies require claims to be filed within a set time frame, often 20 to 30 days of the incident that disrupted your travel. Don't delay and miss your window. Number 4. Be descriptive and persistent. When filing a claim, provide clear details to justify why you needed to cancel, interrupt your trip, or incur expenses. If your initial claim is denied, don't get discouraged. Appeal with additional documentation as needed. As we prepare for landing, let's recap our journey through the world of flight insurance. It's clear that having the right policy is like packing an essential travel gadget. It might not be at the forefront of your mind, but it's invaluable when you need it. From providing a safety net for flight cancellations and delays to offering reassurance through comprehensive coverage, the right flight insurance can elevate your travel experience from good to great. Lost or severely delayed checked baggage can really throw a wrench into travel plans. Flight insurance policies compensate you for the value of your belongings, as well as costs like buying essential items if your luggage is significantly delayed in reaching you. This coverage provides convenience and peace of mind. Remember, the goal of flight insurance is to ensure that your adventures remain as uninterrupted and enjoyable as possible, despite the inherent unpredictability of travel. By taking the time to select a policy that matches your travel needs, you arm yourself against the unexpected, leaving more room for what really matters, creating unforgettable memories around the globe. And that's a wrap on today's flight through the essentials of flight insurance. I hope this guide helps you choose the coverage that best suits your journey, making your next trip not only memorable but also secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks from Park and Post. Safe travels, everyone. We'll catch you in the next video.